Zippity-doo-dah.
Hi everyone, this is Steve Meyerowitz. If you enjoyed today's video, please subscribe and visit me at Sproutman.com for more information. Hi, this is Steve Meyerowitz. I'm here to demonstrate the disassembly of the Green Star Elite juicer, my favorite juicer, and I think the best in the world. So let's see. I think I'm going to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I don't know, that's about 6 seconds or so. And that's how you disassemble it. Certainly not a lot of hard work for the Green Star juicer. Thanks for tuning in. Visit me at Sproutman.com for more information.
Zippity-doo-dah, zippity-yay. Wonderful feeling, wonderful day.